Welcome! In this video we are going to go over changing your 1Cademy community membership. The first thing you will need to do is to make sure the node you want to tag your community membership as is open on your map. If it is not, you can easily use the search function to perform a keyword search and open it up. Once you have the default tag open on your map, you can now change your community membership by first going to User Profile and clicking on your community membership or tag. After you click this button, you will see a prompt here in red that says click the node you would like to link to. I want to change my community membership to psychology, so I have the node open on the map, and now all I have to do is click it. As you can see here, my community membership has changed to psychology. When I exit out of my user profile, I will see that my leaderboard also reflects this change. Please review the videos on using the search feature and also the leaderboard and 1Cademy communities for more information.